Is that fun? Is that fun, Ava? Is that fun right on the swing? Here we go. Ready? Big push. Woo! Higher. We're gonna make everybody dizzy with this video. Woo! Here goes Izzy. Are you ready? Whoop. You ready to go, Izzy? Here we go. Woo! Uh-oh, are you getting a little scared? Woo! You're not sure to be scared or happy, are you? All right, you want to get one more big push on the swing? Yeah. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! More. You want to go higher? Higher. Is that fun, Izzy? Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Ah, boo. Here we go. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Let's see what Ava thinks of tickling. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. It's like a feedback loop. Get one going, the other goes. All right, here we go. I'm going to turn it off. Say bye. Bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Izzy, can you say bye-bye? See if we can get Izzy. Ava's doing a good job saying bye-bye. 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 Izzy, can you say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Wave bye-bye. Say bye. Wave bye-bye. Can you say bye-bye? Thinking about it. Good no. Okay, I'll help you off the swing.